Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me on another edition of Mastering Mobility. As you can see, I'm in a state of luxurious relaxation this week because I'm enjoying the many standout features of the VivaLift Radiance Power Recliner. The Radiance is stylish, it's comfortable, and it was the first power recliner in its class to offer 3 heating pads designed to take your relaxation experience to the next level. These 3 heating pads are located in the shoulder area, the lumbar, and the seat, offering complete body warmth as you sink into the contoured cushions of the chair. Using this ergonomically designed toggle remote, you'll be able to adjust the intensity of the heat. Press this heat button once and it will light up as a yellow-orange color indicating the lower intensity. Press it again and the button will become red, indicating the higher intensity. Finally, press the button one more time to turn off the heat setting. The Radiance also comes with power headrest, power backrest, and power lumbar, all of which help you to find the perfect position tailored specifically to help you enjoy maximum relaxation. And convenience features such as a hideaway cup holder and a hideaway wireless charging station allow you to keep your beverage handy and your cell phone at full power. The VivaLift Radiance is available in 4 sizes, and its standard canyon fabric comes in 4 colors: silt, ocean, walnut, and steel. Find out more at pridemobility.com, and we will see you next time on Mastering Mobility.